Hello everyone. Are you searching for a restaurant management software through which you can manage your restaurant business easily? If so, then you're in the right place. We present to you India's fastest and easiest high-tech restaurant billing software with loads of features like table management, KOT, kitchen order tickets, menu management, recipes management, multi-kitchen management, tax billing, dine-in, takeaway, 100+ business reports, and interactive Android app for owner's ease. And other powerful advanced features in this list. From small restaurants to large restaurants, high-tech billing software can be easily used for POS billing, inventory, accounting, service, and expense, as well as managing staff. Expand your business. Get high-tech restaurant billing software today. Manage smartly. Manage with high-tech. Trusted by 1 million+ customers worldwide. To download, visit www.hitechbillsoft.com. For demo, you can call us at +91 626 298 9804.